the agriculture. Agriculture are the practice of the cultivation of crops for human and consumption is possible only when the fertile soil um, fertile soil, different crops are growing in different regions of the country due to the variability in the soil type and individual soil requirement of the various crops. The soil type of affected by the climatic condition of the place. So agriculture is a practice of cultivation of crops for the human consumption. It is possibly only fertile, so it is possible only in the fertile soil, not in unfertile soil. Different crops are growing in different type of soil in different parts of country. So due to the variability in the soil type, individual soil requirement of various crop is required, different type of soils. The soil types affected by the climatic condition of a place, that is wind, temperature, humidity, rainfall. Wheat and pulses require loamy soil. Paddy requires clay soil because it require more and more water, which the clay soil hold the more water. The cotton on the other hand requires soil that's a mixture of sandy and loamy soil. The the soil conditions and agriculture. Soil erosion, it is a washing away of the top layer of fertile soil by wind or water. This happen due to the exposure of top layer of soil, maybe due to means erosion. What is the soil erosion? It is a removal of the fertile layer of the top surface of the soil is known as soil erosion. This is maybe due to the overgrazing by the cattle. Suppose there is a grassland where the cattle are grazes more and more due to the deforestation. Floods that are coming regularly in areas, they causes the soil erosion. Now the prevention, so maybe can be employed towards the soil conservation. Afforestation means it is a planting of tree in a large number. The roots bind the soil and prevent the from the being washed away. Means afforestation, the planting of large number of tree is known as afforestation. Flood control by the building dams. The bank of river, hills, slopes prevented overflowing. Trusses forming on hill slopes reduce the speed of water flowing down hills and thus reduces the nutrient being washed away. Means trusses farming are done in the practices of village area. Here the allow to the speed, control the speed of the water falling from the rocks surface. Now the soil pollution. Human activities are the causing the increase in pollution of soil, which either become too acidic or too basic for agriculture. Industrial waste are the allow to overflow in water sources that are used crop irrigation. Acid rain also causes due to the air pollution. Excessive use of pesticide and fertilizer which leaves the residue in the soil. Dumping of the non-biodegradable waste like the plastic and polythenes also causes the soil pollution. So mostly human activity responsible for soil pollutions. They pollute the soil. They are become the most. That's why the soil become more acidic or more basic in character. So these industrial waste and acid rain and excessive use of pesticides and fertilizers, dumping of biodegradable non-biodegradable substances in a soil, that's they are called soil pollution. Controlling soil pollution, these are the possible spreading awareness, taking the initiative. Means any pollution can be controlled by the taking the awareness and initiative. Switching over the organic manure and leave the chemical fertilizer, means we are using the more amount of humus. Segregation of waste as source of label. Proper decomposition of degradable waste should produce biogas. Means the unwanted material present in soil, they will be select and they segregate from time to time. Treatment of industrial waste before they are allowed to flow in water. Means the wastage that are present industrial in form the like wire, iron rods, whatever glasses, these are the allowed to the filter out. Soil is the natural resources in the basis of all the human